Alright friends, now we have a great example. We will use both while loop and break statement. So what's my exercise? We will keep asking the user to enter numbers until they enter a negative number. And we will display the total of those numbers on the screen. Okay. The important point is here, when user enter a negative number, we stop the program. So we will use it by using break statement. So I come here, I say integer number, and then what I will do, I will calculate the sum. So I say sum. So I will be performing an addition operation. So that's why I say sum equals to 0, which is neutral element of the addition is 0. Okay, that's why I assign 0 at the beginning. What I need to do, I need to take input from the user. So I use scanner object here. I say scanner and then I say input, which is my scanner object, and then I say new scanner. So inside the parentheses I give system.in. Okay, so I open while loop. So my condition is always true because I keep asking user to enter a number. So I am continuously asking to user because that's why I say true inside the parentheses. Okay, so I give my message to the user. I say system.out.print. I use print because I want to take input from the user on the same line. So I say enter a number. Okay, and then I take input from the user. I say assign to the number variable. I say number equals to input dot next int. I use next int method. Okay, I take it. So what I need to do, I need to calculate the sum. How can I do that? I say sum plus equals to number. It means sum equals to sum plus number. Okay, for example, sum is 0 at the beginning. For example, if I enter 5, sum equals to 0 plus 5. So sum becomes 5. So if I enter 4, sum equals to sum plus number. Sum was 5. 5 plus 4. Sum becomes 9 here. Okay. The logic is that. So what I need to do, I need to print the sum value to the screen. I say system.out.println and then I say sum equals to, I use plus operator and then I print sum variable. Okay. So I got an error, as you see, which is unreachable code because while is always true, it will never stop. So what I need to do, when user enter a negative number, I need to stop this loop. So for doing this, after taking number, I need to control it. So I open my if condition. So I'm checking if the number is less than 0 or not. If it is, I need to stop this loop. So for doing this, I use break keyword. Okay, so what I need to do, I need to close this scanner object 2. I come here, I use input.close method. Okay, so I run it. You see, enter a number. I say 5. You see, enter a number. I say 4. Enter a number. It continues like that until I give negative number. I give -7, for example. As you see, the program stops and sum equals to 9. Is it correct? Yes, I am making addition operation. 5 plus 4 is equals to 9. Super.